So you just got invited to a picnic and you have this super cute outfit that you want to wear, but you don't know what kind of makeup to wear with it? I got you. Hi everyone, it's Lily. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys step by step how to achieve this really cute summery glittery peachy makeup. So keep watching. Let's start by putting my little bow, and now let's do skin prep. So I'm starting off with a simple moisturizer. I'm using the e.l.f. one, and don't forget your sunscreen. I'm using the Skin Aqua, and I got it from Amazon. I really like it because it's very liquidy, so it goes very well on the skin. It's very easy to apply and it kind of smells good. Then I'm gonna add a makeup primer. So I'm using the Hard Candy One Dehydrating Makeup Primer. So what's cool about this primer is that it is a dupe for the Hydro Grip by Milk. It looks exactly like it feels like it, and it works just as good. Then I'm gonna shape my eyebrows. So I'm using the Brow Lift by e.l.f. So using a spoolie, I will put some product on my eyebrow and brush it the way I want it. Then I will simply take my fingers and press on my eyebrow to make them stick to my skin. And I'm using an angle brush. So I'm personally using the Eyebrow Tattoo by Maybelline in the color black. And I will just start from the middle of my eyebrow and create a tail. Then I will take a concealer. I'm using the NARS Pot Concealer and a flat brush just like this. And I will carve my eyebrow the shape that I want them to be. So I'm only carving under my eyebrow for a more natural look. I'm just going to blend with my finger. Then I'm gonna use a foundation. I'm using the MAC Skin and Body Foundation. I'm gonna apply some to the back of my hand. You want a really natural finish, so I'm not going to use a lot of foundation. And I'm going to use a damp beauty blender and blend everything out. Then I'm gonna take back the same concealer and apply some with my finger underneath my eyes and wherever I have some imperfection. And blending with the beauty blender again. Then I'm gonna use the Putty Bronzer by e.l.f. with a dense brush just like this. I'm gonna apply some product directly on the brush and tap the product into my skin where I want to add some bronzer. So I'm adding it on the side of my cheeks, going up a little bit on the temple. I'm gonna add some on my forehead as well. Then I'm gonna do a small nose contour and just going from the start of my eyebrow until the tip of my nose, going on a straight line. And then I'm going to blend on the tip of the nose. I'm also going to add some on my jawline and under my chin while blending, going down on my neck. I'm also going to take some bronzer and put it right where my cupid bow is to create volume on my upper lip. Then I'm gonna blend the bronzer just a tiny bit with my beauty blender to make sure there's no harsh edges. Then I'm gonna take a cream blush. I'm using the one from Kuo in the shade Heavenly. I'm going to apply some on the back of my hand. With my finger, I will put some little dots in a C shape from the tail of my eyebrow to the top of my cheek where I would normally put some highlight. Just like this. Then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend the blush. And don't be shy, go a little bit over your lid. It's gonna look even more natural. Taking the rest of the blush with the beauty blender directly and adding a little bit more color. Then I'm going to add some faux freckles with this pen that I got from Amazon. So just drawing random dots and then blending it a little bit with my finger. Then I'm gonna take a setting spray. I'm using the one from e.l.f. Letting it dry just a little bit. And then I'm gonna set my face with a powder puff and a translucent powder that I got from Sephora. And then I'm gonna start doing eyeshadow. So I'm using this palette from Wet n Wild. It's a very, very pretty palette. I'm gonna take a large fluffy brush and using the first eyeshadow right here, which is a light peach color, I will apply it all over my lid. Then I'm gonna take this darker peach color and apply it a bit more on my crease and at the edge of my eye while blending in a circular motion. Then I'm gonna take this little color that is a more pink, taking with the same brush and blending the darker coral and the lightest one with the pink to create a gradient. Once this is done, I'm gonna take the same darker peach color with a smaller brush, just like this, and I will do my bottom lash line, and I will stop in the middle where my iris is. Then to add something a little special, I will do a simple half-cut crease on my eye using a white concealer. This one is from Hard Candy. I will simply put some product on the back of my hand, and using a flat round brush just like this, I will look straight in the mirror and go just a little bit above my crease and create a half moon shape. It does not have to be perfect because we will line it with eyeshadow right after. I will simply fill out the half moon shape with some more white concealer, and I will stop right where my iris is. Once you're happy with the shape, take an angle brush. Once you're happy with the shape, use an angle brush and the darker peach color that we used earlier, and simply line on top of the crease that you just created. This will help define it and act like a shadow. Then take a small fluffy brush with the same peach eyeshadow that we used earlier, the lightest one, and simply go and blend the line that you created to make it look even more like a natural shadow. Then I will take a highlighter palette. I'm using this one from NYX, and using the lightest shade, I'm going to use my finger and tap on the white part of my eye to give it some shine and to also set the concealer. Then I will do a glitter eyeliner. So I got this one, it's from Kuo Beauty, and I'm simply going to line just in between the shadow and the white part of my eyelid. So I'm starting from the inner corner and going until my iris. I'm also going to take the same eyeliner and put it from my inner corner until my iris on my bottom lash line. Then I will create an eyeliner using my eyeshadow palette. I'm using the darkest shade right here, which is a very warm brown. Using it with an angle brush, I will create a very small wing. Then I'm going to use the same brush and the same color and create an inner corner. Then I'm going to use an eyelash curler and curl my lashes. And then I'm going to apply some mascara on the top and the bottom lashes. For my cheeks, I'm going to add a little bit more blush. I'm using this powder blush from Tarte and just applying it with a very fluffy brush and adding a little bit more where my cream blush is. Then for my lips, I will simply line them with a nude pencil. I'm using this NYX one in the color Natural. Then I'm using this lipstick that do not have a color anymore, but that is definitely from L'Oreal on the top lip and blending with my finger. And I'm applying some in the middle of my bottom lip and blending with my finger. I will finish the look by applying some little gloss. I'm using this one from the Cream Shop. It is the Hello Kitty one and I really love it. It smells so good. And that's it for the look. I will remove my beautiful bow. And I just forgot, but let's apply a little bit of more of setting spray. For my hair, I'm simply separating this part of my hair, tying the other one, and adding a little scarf. I'm just putting the scarf on top of my head and tying it behind my neck, then untying my hair and putting the long part of the scarf on the side of my neck. So this is the makeup look. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I think it's really cute with the glitter and the peachy tones. And now you're ready for your picnic. I think it looks good on anyone and I hope you guys try it. So thank you guys so much for watching. It was a pleasure for me to show you how to achieve this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.